You open it up and then you place those drops inside. And then if you take it with food and water, that'll help to provide. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of Vetiver essential oil. Vetiver is a member of the grass family and is grown for many different reasons. Unlike other grasses, the root system of vetiver grows down, making it ideal for helping to prevent erosion and for providing soil stabilization. Vetiver has a rich, exotic, complex aroma that is used extensively in perfumes. Due to vetiver's calming, grounding effect on the emotions, it is an ideal oil to use in massage therapy. It can also be rubbed on your feet before bedtime to promote a restful night's sleep. When taken internally, vetiver can support a healthy immune system. The top 3 common uses for doTERRA's vetiver essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in; topically, if you can point to it, that's right, you can put it there; and then internally. And then the main benefits of vetiver essential oil are that it helps to ground your emotions, helps promote a restful night's sleep, and supports your immune system. The directions for use are taking 1 drop of vetiver oil and 1 drop of doTERRA's lemon oil in a veggie capsule for a long trip or for family visits to shield your body from outside threats. And I like to use doTERRA's veggie capsules here. So you just take one out, like so. You open it up and then you place those drops inside. And then if you take it with food and water, that'll help to provide better results. And then the best waters to choose are alkaline, reverse osmosis, or distilled. And then with regards to food, choosing more whole plant foods is going to be great for your immune system too. And then you can also apply 1 to 2 drops of the vetiver oil with fractionated coconut oil and then rub on the bottoms of your feet. And that is a great reflex point on top of the palms of your hands too, which will kind of get double benefit there. And then the fractionated coconut oil I like to use is from doTERRA. And so this is a carrier oil that has no smell and it's non-greasy. And it's perfect for topical application because it helps the essential oil absorb better into your skin. It covers larger surface areas of your body, and then it also helps to reduce the chance of any irritation from the essential oil. So you put the FCO or fractionated coconut oil on first, and then the essential oil. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.